I will make condensed milk, homemade condensed milk from fresh buffalo milk to condensed milk. So I have, what is this, 1.5 liter of fresh buffalo milk, and I boil already this, maybe 1 kilo this one, or more than 1 kilo, because this one bottle is equivalent to 1.5 kilogram. So we'll make this one condensed milk. Must be we have to cook in slow fire, and then we'll add sugar also, and pinch of baking powder. And this one is for tea, for our tea, because 2 days ago someone give us here for someone give us 2 bottles of this one. So I boil already 1 bottle of this one, and then I make keep yogurt also, this one. So this one can be yogurt now anytime, yeah. So this is the way how I cook, make homemade condensed milk. Must be slow fire, and then we have to, ano, yung ihalo-halo natin. Yan. Para hindi didikit. Dapat yung dito sa ano gilid-gilid, ganyanin para ano hindi dumikit. And then if already cooked this one, this condensed milk, it will become half. Become half only. But it more takes time to cook this one, because cook in slow fire. Hindi naman ano continue yung paghalo. After 5 minutes then ihalo ulit. Basta ano lang yung flame niya ay mahina lang. Already cooked my homemade condensed milk, from fresh buffalo milk to condensed milk. Before from here, I think more than half kilogram. So ito na lang yung ano, yung naluto na condensed milk. Ayan, malapot-lapot na siya, oh. Yan. And then yung sugar niya, tama lang. Yung lasa talaga na condensed milk. Yan. Masarap ito kasi ano homemade. Ang hirap kasing hanapin dito yung mga ano, Filipino products. Meron namang nabibili, kaya lang ano, pupunta pa ako sa Raulaco. Ito may nagbigay ng ano, ng fresh buffalo milk, kaya ito ginawa ko yung iba na ano, ginawa ko iba ng condensed milk, and then yung kalahati din ay ginawa ko ding yogurt, and then yung iba ay ano, pinakuluan ko for our tea. So luto na ito, i-turn off ko na itong ano flame, kasi luto na ito. Tapos ano, palamigin ko na lang, tapos ilagay ko sa ano, sa paglalagyan. Yan. Konti lang ito, oh. Yan. Ano, magagawa siguro ako ng ano, fruit salad, o kaya wala pa kasing season ng ano, mangga. So magagawa ako ng ano, mango float. Ano ba 'yun? Yung may ano, may crackers. Kaya lang yung gagawin kong biscuit ay made of products of Pakistan. Hindi yung kagaya sa atin na meron talaga yung nilalagay na ano, yung nilalagay na biscuit, graham crackers ba 'yon? Yung ano bang tawag doon? Yung, oo, yun, di ba? So gagawa ako ng ano, Next month season na siguro ng ano mangga or by June. So hindi naman ito masisira. Yan. Cooking homemade condensed milk from fresh buffalo milk to condensed milk. I cook more than half kilogram before it's here. Now it's only half. So this is already condensed milk, as you can see. And I cook in very slow fire, and almost 2 hours or 1.5 hours.